India's Prime Minister Narendra Modi is in the United States at the invitation of US President Donald Trump. This visit is considered significant as both leaders aim to pick up where they left off 4 years ago in the India US relationship. For nearly 3 decades, US presidents from both parties have prioritized building ties with India, viewing it as a natural partner in countering a rising China. This visit comes amid the world's ongoing conflicts in the Middle East and Ukraine. Prime Minister Narendra Modi arrived in Washington on Wednesday after attending an artificial intelligence summit in Paris, making him the fourth world leader to visit US President Donald Trump at the White House since his return. Both Prime Minister Narendra Modi and US President Donald Trump have much in common, having campaigned on promises to promote the interests of their country's majority communities and shifting long-held democratic norms by persistently pursuing their critics. An important bridge between the two countries is the largest group of South Asian Americans in the US who are of Indian origin. In 2019, US President Donald Trump joined Indian Prime Minister Narendra Modi at a gathering of Indian Americans in Houston, as stated by the White House, showcasing the strong bond between the two leaders. In February 2020, Modi invited Trump before a cheering crowd of more than 100,000 people to inaugurate the world's largest cricket stadium. PM Modi was one of the first leaders to congratulate Trump on his re-election through a tweet followed by a phone call. After the inauguration of President Trump, PM Modi spoke to him again on 27th of January. India and the United States have prioritized strengthening their ties, particularly at a crucial time when President Trump has unapologetically weaponized tariffs against both friends and foes. Since returning to office, and Prime Minister Narendra Modi's visit has once again drawn the world's attention to the importance of their relationship. With Rabindra Chauhan, Tanvi Taneja for DD India.